Hello viewers, Fotoman here, and thanks for tuning into the channel again. For this video we are out in the country. Yes, out sort of in the middle of nowhere, just gravel roads. It's not too far from a paved secondary highway, but this is northeast of Vulcan, southeast of Calgary. It's probably about an hour and a half from Calgary and probably about 30 minutes from Vulcan. But this is the Graham family farm. Uh, it's part of an abandoned farmstead project that was done by the province. And when I first found it on Google Maps, it said it was Hearnleigh Post Office. That's Hearnleigh. Quite the spelling. From 1908. I found a little bit of information on the post offices. I'll put the links down below for what I have found. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for tuning in. And if there are any other places or any other styles of videography you'd like me to do, let me know what they are. Send me some comments.